In this video, I'm going to show you how to subtract fractions using the butterfly method. So here we are subtracting fractions with two different denominators. So we're going to go ahead and multiply 9 times 2, so we're just multiplying across there. Then we're going to multiply the other way across. This is going to mimic the look of a butterfly. Now we're going to go ahead and multiply the bottom numbers. So that will give us 27. All right, so now let's go ahead and I'm going to write down all our new numerators. So 21 minus 18, and that's going to stay over the same denominator of 27. So now we can subtract the two numbers, leaving us with 3 over 27. You can also use this method to add fractions. Here's a video to help you out. Okay, let's look at our second example. So again, we've got different denominators, so we are going to repeat our steps. Multiply across with 1 times 8, and that's going to give us 8. Then we'll multiply across again. 5 times 4 will give us 20. Okay, we're going to go ahead and multiply our bottom, so 8 times 4 is 32. So I'm going to rewrite everything. 20 subtract 8 over 32. I'll subtract the top numbers. So that's going to give us 12 over 32. And now again, as your math teacher, I'm going to remind you to reduce, reduce, and reduce. So I know both numbers are even, so I could divide them by 2 to start. However, I know both numbers are also multiples of 4. So I'm going to go ahead and divide them both by 4. And that will give us our final answer of 3 over 8. Now, just as a friendly reminder, if you are not comfortable with the multiplication table, do not let that stop you. I have a multiplication table in the description below. Use that to help you with this, because our goal right now is to subtract fractions. If you're looking for a place to practice your skills, I have worksheets in the description with answer keys. Just remember to use your answer keys to actually check your work. So with the final example, we have two improper fractions. So you can see the numerators are larger than the denominators. So the only real difference will be in our final step when we reduce the fractions. So we're going to go ahead and multiply across. So 4 times 5 will give us 20. Multiply across the other way. 3 times 11 will give us 33. And the 11 times table is a nice friendly times table where the number is the same number just repeated twice. So let's go ahead and multiply the denominators. So 4 times 3 will give us 12. And I'm going to go ahead and rewrite everything. So 33 minus 20 over 12. Subtracting the numerators is as simple as removing 2 10s from 33. So that will give us 13 over 12. Now remember, we have to reduce, reduce, and reduce. So in this case, we have an improper fraction, so we are going to convert it to a mixed fraction. So what we have to do is see how many times 13 goes into 12. So I know it only goes into it 1 time, leaving us with a remainder of 1 on top, and that is our final answer. I hope that video was able to help you out. If it did, you know what to do, and I'll see you guys in the next one.